2, 3. Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Saturday. We are getting ready to go to brunch. Let's do something to this face and throw on our wig. The only thing is trying to figure out what I want to wear. That's always the issue because the body not bodying. I'm still trying to unbig this back and it's not giving what it needs to give. My brother is FaceTiming me. Hello?
My bad.
It's okay. What's up?
Content creator.
Content creator. Subscribe if you guys haven't.
Put out another vlog again.
Another vlog. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are ready. I forgot to shave my underarms because I was like, oh snap. I forgot I'm wearing like a whatever. So I'm about to give grandpa some food so that way he'll have food when we leave. So we were late. It's 12 o'clock. I was trying to get there at 12 o'clock, but you know, it takes time to get this beautiful. We are on our way to brunch. It's raining outside.
Didn't we do a duck tour in West Point?
A duck tour?
But the duck, it goes
Oh yeah, we did that. It's like on land and water.
yeah, duck tour.
It was cool. Rain always ruins stuff for me.
Only if you let it. Yikes.
I always let it. Alright, we made it to our destination. It is pouring outside, so we're here. It's like right there. Right? So, yo, the thunder and the lightning. Oh, my door's still open. Oh my gosh. It's okay. Yeah, guys. My sister ran inside, and as I was trying to go, the rain just got real bad, and I was like, I'm not getting wet. I got my umbrella, but y'all, she said it's chilly and busy. This weather. You told me to come in. Come in now? Girl, you don't see this rain? I'll be the only fool out here in this rain. So I'm gonna try to get inside, and I'll record once I get inside. Okay? Mind if I record you? Just say hi. Just say hi. So rude. I'm trying to figure out which one.
Just like act like you're taking a picture of her. Okay, bye.
Okay.
Wait, he said he's gonna give us real stuff? But he said he's gonna give us real stuff? Oh no.
Yeah. It's a real celebrity. I kept looking. I'm like, this is wild. Okay, let's switch. Is it really free ads? Let me get my phone.
Hang out with me with the stars.
If you see a celebrity out, do you ask for their picture? Would that be like awkward? Because the other person too, I'm gonna find out. Do we go up to people now in 2023 or we don't do stuff like that? I don't know.
She said, "Look at celebrity."
You met celebrities. Who?
She just wiped on the heart.
You guys, I got my picture. Who knew? I know that's right. Coming to brunch and not thinking you're gonna see two celebrities. They were incognito, but not that incognito. We're done brunching. My camera's crooked. It's cool. You guys like these shades? The sun is kind of peeking through a little bit, but it keeps like going in and out. All right, so how do we get to the next destination? My lash is about to fall off. Y'all, we walking into Top Golf. People really got the clubs and stuff out here. Yeah, it's hot. The sun's out.
We don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is
What you gotta put on top of it?
Huh? Yeah, you can put on. This is what all of them told me. You have to hold it like that. So one hand will do.
Just hit the ball.
Different club.
Golf is not made for left-handed people because
It is for left-handed people.
I feel like I want to hit the other way. This one. I feel like I want to hit the other way.
I knew once I get back here. Where? When it? Where? The yellow? So do whatever you did last time.
I don't know what I did. I moved back.
Now you have the same amount of points as I do.
Good job.
Here. I mean, don't be a sore loser. Look at your score.
Whatever. Alright, y'all. We are heading to Soft tea. Once you mix it, it's not bad. But it's still a lot of carrot.
Did you get vanilla on the bottom?
Yeah, this is small. That's big for small.
a lot of ice cream.
Oh, look at that. The car's right there. If you see how close we were, literally, we went all the way around. Meanwhile, Karen, we were literally looking at it.
Ain't that what I said?
No, you said it was around the corner.
Well, see, that's the entrance. This is the back way. How am I supposed to know about the back
Okay, this is a non-alcoholic bar. Alright guys, we're getting a card. Okay, what about this one? Okay. This is the same card that we got for it. Happy birthday. Guys, I got my picture. Follow me on Instagram. I'm so excited. She was so sweet, by the way. Karen, why don't you get a good Father's Day card?
Why don't you get the card?
Okay.
You're just recording the whole time. Why don't you get the
What about for the man? Oh, should my mom get one? What about this one? For you, Papa.
They just need to have Happy Father's Day. Have a nice day. That's all they need to do.
Oh, we need a bag.
Who this for? This for Grandpa?
Yeah, Grandpa. My dad. This is too big for this. But that's too small.
You getting them 2 shirts?
No, one shirt each.
Why don't you get a brown paper bag? It's horrible.
Alright guys, we are home sweet home. I just need my ear to pop. That's it. I'm gonna go take this off. Take a shower. Yeah, probably hear Fuko in the back because Grandpa's watching TV. I'm outside. So yeah. I'm so tired. But I gotta get ready for church. So let's get ready for church. Let's pick up our energy. Let's thank God for another day. Get ready for church. Oh God. I'm so tired. Alright guys, we are ready for church.
We need to pray, car les jours sont mauvais. Pendant ta fait méditation, et matin, on a Ephésiens 6, alléluia, pour ta fait méditation, il dit,
Pizza place, get some pizza after church, and then heading home after.
I like
We're
these.
celebrating Grandpa by giving him some pizza today.
These are good. I know.
What boy, Uncle Grandpa? What boy pizza? Shoot. You show, yeah. I look a mess. After I eat, I feel like I just gained like 20 pounds. I just can't. I don't look at myself the same way anymore.
We go to the gym in the morning.
Yeah.
Gym time. No more walk.
Monday through Friday, straight to the gym, 6 to 7 every day.
I never said that. I never said
That's because
A few moments later.
it's 4:08. Start getting ready at like maybe 6:30 to leave at 6:45. Yeah. Oh. Y'all made it to church. Your girl is manning the board. This is the small sanctuary. The big one is on the other side. Your girl's about to do sound today. Lord, I pray that the sound don't mess with me. How are you? Good. So, let's set up and let's get the show going. One day I'll show you guys. You guys have my little hair? Hey guys, we're home sweet home. You need some crackers? What's the medication? Alright y'all, so remember when I got this? I'm finally gonna use it because the ear is going really bad. I'm going to schedule an appointment with the ENT to see what they have available so they can check out my ear so my ear can get better.
Like a full one of these or no? Like 1, 2. How do you do it? Or is
You
it?
do 4 drops. So and then you do 1, 2,
Okay,
3,
turn
4.
around.
How does it look?
Okay, see now, move the door.
1, 2, 3. Is that 4?
Sure. You want more?
No. The medication is in my ear. I'm just waiting. I was just scrolling through the ticks of the talks. I'm going to a wedding and I was trying to find like cute wedding dresses on Shein. I found this one. Let me know which one you guys like. There's one. My sister just favorited them. Oh, hold on, let me see. There's this one. I kind of do want to do like black with a slit, but I'm short, so I don't know how this is gonna do. I like this one because it was like plain and simple. There's this one as well, which was cute, and then this one. Yeah, really cute. Ugh. So there was a green one. I like the green one. This one, it's like green. So that one looked nice. That is it, you guys. So I'm just gonna be about to eat a mango and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So yeah. This is my post for today. Get into the habit of talking to God no matter how you feel. That is the thing of the week. So get into the habit of talking to God no matter how you feel. I know sometimes we only be praying like one day, barely, you know what I'm saying? But get into the habit of talking to God, because at the end of the day, He is all that matters. He is all that matters. So you guys, that is it for this weekend's vlog. If you want to see more of me in your timeline, please subscribe to your girl. Let me know what you guys want to see. I try to be very consistent with posting on Tuesday. It's Thursday that's killing me. I want to, you know, take some time to shoot like other content, so that way like on Tuesdays will always be a vlog of the weekend, and then Thursdays will be something else like hair, makeup, styles, or hauls. And like I always say, put God first and you'll never be last, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Good night. Bye.